President Muhammadu Buhari to sign into law without further delay the Electoral Act amendment which is on his desk. If he is truly and really interested in the conduct of free, fair, and credible elections, the return of democracy in our country. Therefore, we must run a focused campaign that takes nothing for granted. We must maintain eternal vigilance. It is no surprise that the government is running a campaign of personal attacks and innuendo. This is because it has failed to keep its promises to the Nigerian electorate. Having little to point to as its achievements in nearly 4 years in office, it wants to distract attention of our people by choosing personal attacks over issues. A government that has been in power for nearly its full term should be campaigning on its achievements, on its records, rather than personal attacks and fresh promises it obviously will not keep because they are not used to keeping promises. I made clear from the beginning of this journey that my campaign will be focused on issues rather than personal attacks. And in any case, I am not known character-wise abusing people or insulting people. Therefore, I enjoin you to ensure that our campaign is issues-based. We know the issues. If you don't know the issues, click www.atiku.org. The issues are there. Nigerians know that APC government has failed woefully. We have to continue to remind our people of that and also tell them what we will do differently to get Nigeria working again. I call on the leadership of our party, the PDP, to ensure that enlightened and well-trained men and women are hired as our agents at the polling stations and collation centers. It should also ensure the establishment of a functional, effective situation room to monitor the campaigns and the electoral process until the last vote is counted and the results announced. It should also address any other issues that would ensure free, fair, and credible elections. Particularly, Mr. Chairman and party leaders and members, we must demand the removal of the Inspector General of Police. Agreed? Agreed? As members of the campaign council, you have the responsibility of working with the party leadership to ensure that these are implemented in a timely manner. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, elections are governed by laws and rules. While it is customary to ask politicians to conduct themselves well, good laws are required to ensure credible elections. Such laws constrain the behavior of all who are involved in the electoral process. My dear friends, we have a lot of work to do. Let's get to work. We have got to get Nigeria working again. Agreed? Once more, thank you for being part of this team And I thank you all for your attention. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you as I go through the zones and the states and possibly the local governments, and also talking to Nigerians in town hall meetings. PDP! PDP! Power! Let's get Nigeria working again! Atiku! I have been asked to remind APC and President Muhammadu Buhari that I, Atiku Abubakar, am ready for debate. Thank you. God bless you all.